Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Catsell Created, and I'm coming on today with a I guess like a little small announcement on my challenge giveaway that's going on, and hopefully you could see this. I'm not too sure if you could see it. I'm gonna try to go ahead and put it on here. And so this is how I'm scoring everybody's entries on here. So memory decks, it's 1 point, and all these down here are the optional points. Let me see if you guys could see it like that. And I just wanted to go ahead and give you a quick update. So far I have Deborah Wilson. So far she has 2 points. Becky Long, she has points from 3 to 12. Scrapping 2010, that's Lisa. She has points 13 to 21. And Craft On Tree, she has points 22. I'm still waiting for your VR tree. I know you said you had one. If you don't have it, just let me know so that way I could just go ahead and continue on to the next person. And Live from ORM, I have 3 points for you. So if you have any questions in regards to this, or if you have any concerns about the entry, just let me know. Also, if you've sent an entry and you haven't seen me post it, just let me know. We'll see what's going on. So basically the reason I was also coming in, oh sorry, I'm like everywhere, I'm always everywhere. So the deadline for my giveaway is still for May the 17th. So if you're still interested in participating, as long as it's postmarked by May the 17th, you still have enough, you'll still be eligible for the giveaway. So if you don't know the information, I'll go ahead and post that link up above when this video finishes, so you can link or click on that link and check it out. Anyway, so I wanted to show you this. I have joined a Facebook group. This is our first swap that we're doing. It's Crafting with Debbie. That's the name of the Facebook group, and we barely, the group has barely basically just started. So this is our actual first swap, and the swap I'm receiving is from Viola Chapman. I think her other last name is Payne. And what we agreed to do was a swap for paper clips. So this is our first one. She has other challenges going on right now. So I'll go ahead and link that down in the description below so you guys could check that out. So this is what she sent me. And let's see, hi. And I guess her Viola Payne and paper clip swap. Thank you, Kathy. And that's it. Oh my goodness, and this is what she sent me. Let me go ahead and, oh my goodness. Oh, I tore this little bag out. Oh my goodness. Oh, how cute. Oh my goodness. Sorry. So, oh, did it get stuck in here? She stapled it on there so to make sure that it didn't fall. So look at how cute. Isn't this so cute? Oh my gosh. I think I don't know how she did it. But the paper clip is not the regular kind of paper clip. It is, it looks like it's plastic layered. And look at all these beautiful beads. I love how she did this. It's like a charm paper clip. That is so cute. And this is a leaf. I don't know if you guys could see it. There's one. So I believe we had to send 4. So this is the other one that she sent me. This is so cute. Okay, and let me go ahead and show you the other ones. Make sure she stapled it on here pretty good. I'm just gonna cut it on here so that way I could take this out. Oh my, this is such a cute butterfly. Look at this butterfly. Oh my gosh. Let me turn it around. And there's, oh, I love this. And then she has it with the bead right there. This is really cute. And she, wow, this is pretty sturdy too. I don't know if you guys could see it. You guys could hear that. Wow. I have no idea how she made it. It is so gorgeous. It's so pretty. and this one as well. So there's 1, 2, 3, and this is the other one. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. And she did another charm, and this is so cute. Look at this one. Look at the, sorry, I don't know if I'm even in frame. I'm trying to look at it at the same time as I'm trying to show you. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. This looks like it's paper from a book. So she just layered it on top of some cardstock. She put a chipboard or a fussy cut, a piece of this right here, some lace down here, and she did this. Wow, awesome. Sorry, I'm not too sure about my frame, but this is awesome because this gives me a lot of ideas too. Like, wow, I could work with a lot of these. Everything I'm basically receiving from everybody, it gives me more ideas on how to work with my projects, just, you know, tweak them a little bit. So there you go. So anyways, thank you. If you are watching Viola, thank you again for this. Is an awesome and cute paper clips. I love them all. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you on board. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for your continuous support. And like I said, you guys still have time to enter the challenge giveaway, and I will post that up here on the video. And you guys have an awesome, blessed day. Thank you.